News Live 10 at 10 continues with No Wait Weather.
Well, it turned out to be a fair day after some rain showers.
Right.
Decent. Yeah, and it does look like we better get ready for a little winter hiccup before the start of spring this weekend. Let's get right to it today in our rain gauges across the region. As mentioned last night, those thunder showers and showers of rain were pretty hit and miss through the Southern Valley, just a few hundredths of an inch. But as we went north, we saw rain gauges picking up a few tenths. And not far from Grand Forks, both east, west, and north, we saw locations with estimates and measurements of over an inch of rainfall today. Right now, 43 at Hector. Wind from the northwest is about 14 miles per hour. In Grand Forks, it's a quiet night, 39 degrees on the thermometer as the temperature slips. The wind speeds have greatly reduced. We've had gusts throughout the day over 30 miles per hour. Some 30s out to the west already with those clear skies allowing for some pretty rapid cooling. We have 41 in Bemidji, 41 in Detroit Lakes, and 43 in Fergus Falls. The latest satellite and radar showing that we have showers of rain moving through Duluth. They're pretty heavy. That's the activity that moved through here earlier. Clearing skies, allowing things to get cold pretty quickly. With the fresh rainfall on the ground and that added moisture to the lower atmosphere, there will be a chance for some patchy fog that could be dense as well. So remember that if you're traveling overnight or first thing in the morning. Now, that rain that passed us by is actually going to come back and slap us from the east. But this time when it comes through, it will be as snow. Watch what happens as temperatures fall tonight in the mid-levels of the atmosphere. We will see that transition occur. And as it does, we'll have snow developing mainly in the Arrowhead of Minnesota along the Iron Range and the north shore of Lake Superior, with some heavy bands of snow developing there. We'll have more cloud cover across Minnesota, keeping temperatures just a pinch milder. And the wind as we start our day, we'll have temperatures around 35 in Fargo to 40 degrees and rising pretty quickly. However, it does look like we'll have gusty winds once again. By midday, the snow will be beginning to press into our northeasternmost counties, Lake of the Woods, Beltrami County. As we go through the afternoon, it continues its trek very slowly to the west. Now, as we look in the winds in the afternoon heating, we'll get some hit and miss popcorn showers or thunder showers rolling their way through. These will be moving from northwest to southeast in the strong flow there, with temperatures reaching those upper 40s in Fargo and portions of southeast North Dakota. It's going to be a day that will be quite wintry and for the commute home a little slippery in our far northeast counties. Late in the day, it moves into Roseau County, and I do believe we'll have some spotty flurries across portions of northwest Minnesota throughout the late part of the day. Snowfall totals quite lofty. In fact, near Duluth, they're talking 1 to 2 feet of snow. But as we get into Lake of the Woods County, amounts ramp off pretty quickly. But that's just Wednesday, and Wednesday into Thursday, this system will continue to move through the remainder of the viewing area. More on that in a second. Winter storm warning for north central portions of Minnesota as we go through Wednesday and into Thursday for lofty snow totals and wintry travel conditions. Temperatures to start your day will be near 40. We will rise up into the upper 40s with northwest winds gusting over 30 miles per hour at times. A blustery day, scattered showers and sprinkles across portions of southeast North Dakota. Here's where the snow will be the big factor in the day, with 30s in north central Minnesota. Okay, we talked about Wednesday night. Look what happens. Woo! Reverses in. By Thursday morning, we have some light snow banding and moving through the region. This won't amount to much. We're talking a few tenths of an inch, likely won't stick around long. Snowfall totals in our northeastern counties, though, will be quite lofty. Hey, ice-free rivers across there. The Red River near Grand Forks, Kathy shows, is ice-free. Also, the Park River near Grafton, hey, a little bit of ice left, but there's some liquid in there, too. Planning forecast shows that cold and potentially snowy Thursday for the region. I think less than an inch in Fargo for our St. Patrick's Day. The first day of spring, a little more springish, 43 degrees on our way to back to the 50s, I should say, by Tuesday.
And I look at those pictures and I think to myself, no flooding this year. Isn't that nice?
It is real nice.
Very nice.
Thank you. Some of us have a lot of black and or white clothing in our closets, and it's often hard to keep those two colors looking nice. Yours looks good, Hutch.
Thank you.
So we'll have some advice coming up.
And we caught some people weaving and dodging for a good cause tonight. We'll explain.